Different ways to say thank you.
When you want to express gratitude formally, you can use these phrases. 1. I wish to express my sincere thanks. 2. I am deeply grateful for your assistance. 3. Please accept my heartfelt appreciation. 4. I want to convey my profound gratitude. 5. I am truly thankful for your support. 6. Your help has been invaluable, and I'm appreciative. 7. I extend my warmest thanks to you. 8. Allow me to express my gratitude for your kind gesture. 9. Your generosity has not gone unnoticed, and I'm thankful. 10. I am beholden to you for your help. When expressing gratitude informally, you can use these phrases. Thanks a lot. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a million. Thanks heaps. Thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. You're the best. You're awesome. I owe you one. You're a lifesaver. You've been a big help. I can't thank you enough. You rock. Much appreciated.